Hello beautiful people. Kamusta po kayo dyan? Um, guys, I wanna introduce to you something, no? I know everyone is struggling to attain happiness and avoid misfortune. Especially this time, so high po yung inflation. It's total inflation throughout the world is already is 9%. And now there's also coming, they said, sabi nila is 2025. So people are so really struggling, no? Struggling ng mga lahat ng mga problema sa buhay. So I know that in our original Christians, we have a Holy Bible, and this Holy Bible, dito po yung lahat po yung mga parables and symbols. So lahat po ay nasa symbol, but there's a new approach from the Reverend San Myung Mon. It's a revelation from him, no? This is the man revelation. Ito po yung tinatawag na divine principle po. Lahat po ito po ay kumpleto. This is the exposition of principle, but there is a short one that you can read that is only a 1 hour. Ito po yan. And then mayroon po din itong 3 hour. You can read 3 hour. We have 12 hour. And also they have also a diagram lecture manual, no? So ito po yung pinaka talaga, walang shortcut. So ito po lahat na mga question niyo po sa buhay, all your questions, confusion, ito po ay nabibigay po ng answer lahat. So if you are struggling now, then you have to read, and then you can only buy that one. You can also buy in Amazon, and also of all the headquarters of Family Federation for World Peace. So I know that we feel joy when our desires are fulfilled. So if you want to have like kompleto po yung happiness niyo, lahat po mga confusion niyo ay masasagot po dito po sa book na ito na Divine Principle. So I hope na more details in the future na ma-share ko sa inyo. Thank you beautiful people. God bless.